videos. And today I'm showing you guys some things to do for animal lovers. And you do not need a pet to do this, except for the last DIY, which is more for cats. But besides that, yeah, that's what this video is about. What I want to tell you guys is, what do you think about my introduction for my mom's house? This is I Love Pink. This shows how DIY, and this one you can't really see, but these are a bunch of scrapbooking materials. Now I need to talk to you guys about something called Mystery Monday that I will be doing in like 3 weeks, I believe, like the week right after spring break. What Mystery Monday is I am going to, you guys have to comment down on this video what DIY or what video you want me to make, and on Monday I'm going to pull one out of the hat, and whichever video that one is, I'm going to have to do. Oh well. Let's get on with the video. This You and Your Animal DIY, what you will be doing is we are going to make some DIY photo frames with you and your animal. So what is this going to work is I have this binder clip package. If you can see in the back, it says Mara-Me binder clips. And so I got the package and I ripped off the tag, and now I have opened it. And what I really like about this is because it kind of has like a clear plastic thing, which kind of means like it's all ready. And then you have like maybe like a little extra thing. I'd recommend keeping that in just in case if your picture is too small. And now what you're going to do is you're going to print out or take one of the pictures you have of you and your animal. With your printed out photo, you are simply going to take out this blue part and cut and paste it there, and then you're done. That is your animal frame DIY. For this next DIY, we will be making animal-inspired snow globes. So first, what I'm going to start with, our materials that we need is a jar. You can have like any logo on it, like that's an olive jar. Water, baby oil, glitter of any choice, acrylic paint, a sponge, a piece of paper, and a pencil or whatever. So first, at the top, we're going to turn this can, and we're going to make it a certain color, which in my situation, it's going to be red. And we have to, since this is animal inspired, we're going to draw like a picture of a cat or something with this, and then we'll put it there, and then we'll just like sponge on it. Once we wait for our top to dry, we are going to start making the bottom, which is the actual snow globe. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get water and fill up your jar 3/4 of the way. Next, what you're going to do is you are going to add in all the glitter you want. And finally, you are going to add in some baby oil. Until you think that is enough, and then you're going to want to close it off with your top, and if you want, you can hot glue gun your top. For this last DIY, we will be making a cat toy, aka a mouse, if you have a cat at home. If you have dogs and other pets, please tell me so I know that I have to do more than just a cat toy. But in this scenario, I do have a cat, so we are doing a cat toy. So what you're going to need for the cat toy is a mold for the mouse, which I'm using this lotion, a hot glue gun, and some yarn. Probably can't see that well, but that's a lot of yarn. So first, what we're going to do is, using our yarn, we are going to wrap it around the lotion thing. And how we're going to do this is like so. And when you start your first point, you're going to want to glue gun it on so that it won't let go, basically, and so that your mold will stay on strongly. Since you want to take it out of the mold, what you're going to do is you're going to glue gun like one big stripe so that all the yarn work stays together. Okay, so now what we're going to do is with our molds, we're going to transfer it into the temporary mold. And as you can see, this was not such a great idea. So if you guys have if you guys want, you can start your actual mouse on the temporary mold, on the real mold, instead of transferring it from the temporary one to the real one, because it's actually way harder to, as you can see. See, and this is how it looks without the molds, and that's why you really need to hot glue gun it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to stuff your mold back in, or what you can do is you can put a bunch of paper in to make it your real mold. What you're gonna do once you like stuffed it with yarn or something, your mold, or you use the temporary mold that we made, you're gonna get a piece of yarn and loop it around like so. So it's kind of like a little purse. Now what we're going to do is we're going to glue gun these two pom-poms to the end like so. So then they kind of fall for it. I think I'm going to call this more of a fish now because it does kind of look like a fish. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.